so cute.
We're gonna make a volcano today.
Ooh.
That's gonna erupt.
It's gonna corrupt?
No, erupt.
Erupt. Yes, the word today is erupt and volcano.
And lava.
And lava. And what else? Hey, that's his homework.
Oh,
Fire.
Why would you take that?
Fire.
Fire. So, what do you guys know about lava?
Lava comes from a volcano.
Oh, and what do you know about lava?
Lava come out from volcano.
That too?
Lava comes from underground and it goes up to the volcanoes and it erupts.
Ooh.
Is it hot or cold?
Hot.
How hot?
It's really interesting,
It is
Interesting.
and really hot.
really hot. Would you touch lava?
No, that would be super duper scary. Yeah. You might die.
And painful.
You might die.
Probably will die.
Will be
Melted.
barbecue.
Barbecued for sure.
Somebody would eat you up. And I love making these videos with you guys.
Aww. I'm sure they like watching you too, dear.
I like watching you too. Little touch of fire.
Good.
Hi, friends.
You just said hi, friends already.
Question.
Question.
So we're adding 5.5 ounces
We're
of water in the cup.
having a grown-up to help us.
Mm-hmm.
How many milliliters is in 1 ounce?
30.
Ooh, that's a good answer. 30 mLs in 1 ounce. And I have 5.5 ounces.
So that one.
How many milliliters?
60. That's 2.
5 times 30 is how many?
So that's 93.
You getting close? You getting close?
Hey, no. 93.
You getting close?
Good close.
5 times 30. What's 5 times
Wait.
30, 30, 30,
No,
30,
wait.
30, 30.
Stop.
Okay.
Thanks.
Is Rain the only one thinking right now? So,
look at your
35
fingers.
times.
I think I know.
30
Okay.
plus 30 plus 30 plus 30 plus 30. I know. I'm just telling you.
No, he knows. He got it.
Okay, you almost
He
got
got
it.
it. Okay.
750.
Wow! You guys give Rain a high five.
No,
That was pretty
I haven't
awesome.
answered yet. It says 5.5 ounces. What's a half? If 1 ounce is 30 milliliters, what's half ounce?
Make a volcano, guys.
1 ounce is 30. Half ounce is
Half of 30.
What's half of 30?
20.
Half of 30 is not
We're
20.
gonna do this.
Half of 30.
What is half of 30? Count with your fingers and toes if you need to.
1, 2, 3,
Half of 30.
5.
Half of, oh my gosh. Okay. Half of 30. What is half of 30? What's half of 10?
Half of 10, 5.
What's half of 20?
Half of 20 is 10.
Good. Half of 30.
20. That's 3. That's 3. 20.
Yeah,
But half
of that.
half of 20, 30.
Half? There is no half. And because it's 30.
If half of 20 is 10, what's half of 30?
If you cut 30 in half, what?
How many will be on each side?
Oh, 20.
Oh,
20 plus 20 is 40. But this is 30, right?
So 10 plus 2. And 20.
oh my gosh, I'm starting to get a headache.
What?
What's 15 plus 15?
15 plus 15 is 20.
Oh,
Huh?
Means
I thought you were supposed to be good at math.
30.
Yeah, so what's half of 30? Okay.
oh, ding, 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 ding.
So we put in 165 milliliters of water.
Oh no!
Now
That's
we need
so much.
1.5 cup of plaster. This is a half cup.
What's
Okay?
plastic?
We're going. How many?
That's
cups do we
plaster
need?
right there, plaster.
We need 1.5 cup, but this is only half. How many of these cups do you need?
30. We don't want to like
Half,
fill the
half,
thing up
half.
like super high. We don't want to. We don't want to do all it. I don't know.
Half, half, half. So that's 1.5, so that's 3 of
Hey
these.
guys, make sure you subscribe down below.
Okay.
Are you doing the volcano thing, or are you?
Like and subscribe. I need a spoon or something.
Yep, this is.
Yes, Lily, give me a chopstick.
Fork
I
right.
don't need a chopstick. I already got
Here
one.
is number 2.
Oh, right then.
That's a half cup.
It's
There
like
is
milk.
another half cup.
Like milk. My turn. My turn. Whoa. My turn, Lane. My
And
turn.
one more half cup.
Can I do it? Can I mix it?
Yeah. So everybody get a chance to mix,
I wonder
okay?
How many volcano we can make with this?
Probably one. The pack is only
Oh, there's
one.
more in here. Maybe 2.
You mean eruptions? How many eruptions you can make?
No, eruption is different.
Oh, you guys are actually making a volcano.
This is the volcano
Like the plaster.
first.
Oh.
In our next video, we're gonna paint it
Yep. You
and
paint
make
it
it
first.
erupt. Make it
Oh, you're just making the volcano tonight. You can't.
Yeah,
You
have
can't
to let
erupt it yet.
let it
Yeah,
dry.
we have to do it for 2 days.
Ah, okay, got it. Ooh, good
Mix
job
it,
on the
mix it, mix
instructions, girl. High five.
Now you gotta mix it.
These are my different.
This is your-
A big spoon.
Yeah, it's
Uncle, there's a big spoon.
okay. Mix it. Can Lily have a chance to mix it, please?
Ow!
Thank you for sharing.
Thank you.
Sharing is
Caring.
teamwork makes the.
Teamwork.
Okay.
Get milk.
Mix it. Yeah, it's called plaster. I used to do this on my, like they did plaster on your face. Did you ever do that? Yeah, and you make a mask out of it and it hardens and you peel it off and then you get to paint your mask. And it's the mold of your face. That's pretty cool, huh?
Never did that.
Kind of scary too though.
Alright.
What happened?
What, man?
I just felt this part like
Pinch? Oh, like a headache?
Oh.
Our next video, we're gonna do another part of this volcano.
Yeah.
We're gonna paint it,
Yeah.
and that's gonna get really messy.
Mhm.
Yeah.
You okay, buddy? Okay, got it.
We're gonna put it in the volcano.
This is
Mold.
the volcano mold.
This is the mold, you guys.
This is. Ooh.
Okay, let go, right?
Ooh. And it's really
Why
close
did
to
you squeeze it, right?
done. Get it out.
No, you just have to
You scrape it out.
Can I scrape it?
No,
No, it's okay, you guys.
it'll get dirty real fast. Rain, I can't see, buddy.
This is our first time making a volcano. Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
That's it. So, that's it?
These are.
And then do you just shake it in there?
Whoa!
Oh, what?
This is really,
It's
really
leaking from the bottom, but
Why? Why is it leaking? Is it supposed to be leaking?
yeah, there's no. I wonder if it's because it's not enough plastic and more water.
You were supposed to follow the instructions?
Yeah, that's what they say. 1.5 cup.
Or is it because you put too much water and now it's leaking?
No,
You guys, your volcano.
maybe we use
It's
less
leaking.
water next time.
Or maybe.
Next time. There is no next time. There's no more.
Yeah, there's more.
Yeah, but not enough. The bag looks like it's almost gone. Well, our first trial. Well, let's see what happens. Either in the morning you guys wake up and the volcano is all on the table, or it'll still have something left.
Maybe the cap's not.
We'll see you guys tomorrow in 2 days, right? In 2 days.
We'll see you tomorrow.
In 2 days, because the volcano is gonna be dry in 2 days, right? You get to paint it tomorrow or what?
Yeah, we get to paint it tomorrow.
Okay, and then you have to let it dry.
No, I thought we painted it today.
No, it has to need time to harden, honey. It's plaster.
Why don't we just paint it first?
No, you don't paint it first like that. One step at a time.
That's not the first extraction.
What? First extraction?
Extraction.
Oh, instruction. You are right. Okay, guys. You guys want to say anything to your friends?
See you in the next